Hey, welcome to day 7. You're doing something special. You're building your English, your mindset, and your confidence, one story at a time. Today's story is about a girl who once looked up at the sky and said, "One day, I'll be up there." The world laughed, but she didn't stop. Let's hear the incredible journey of Kalpana Chawla, India's first woman in space. Story: Kalpana Chawla was born in 1962 in a small town in Haryana, India. From a young age, she loved airplanes and stars. While other children drew houses and flowers, Kalpana drew rockets and planets. She studied engineering in India and later moved to the United States for higher studies in aerospace. Many people told her, "Space is not for girls," but she replied, "I'm not just a girl, I'm a dreamer." After years of hard work, rejections, and tests, she became an astronaut at NASA. In 1997, she went to space for the first time, floating in zero gravity, looking down at Earth, living the dream she had since childhood. Her second space mission came in 2003, but tragically, the space shuttle Columbia broke apart during re-entry. Kalpana and 6 other astronauts lost their lives. But what she left behind was not sadness, it was hope. Closing message: Kalpana once said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the courage to find it." Her story reminds us, your background doesn't define your future, your belief does. Look up, dream big, and don't stop till you reach the stars. Final outro. Thanks again for watching today's story. If Kalpana Chawla inspired you, take one small step today toward your own dream. Come back tomorrow for another powerful story. Let's keep dreaming. Let's keep learning. Together. See you in day 8.